In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn profile URL on iPhone. Knowing your LinkedIn profile link is incredibly handy for resumes, email signatures, networking messages, and job applications. I'll walk you through two clear ways to get it right inside the LinkedIn app on your iPhone, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, open the LinkedIn app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it and check that you have a stable internet connection so everything loads correctly. Next, head to your profile. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the app to open the side panel, then tap View Profile. And this takes you to your profile page where you can see your headline photo and the main profile controls. Now look for the More Options button, which appears as three dots next to the Add section button near the top of your profile. Tap those three dots. This menu is where LinkedIn keeps useful shortcuts related to your profile, including sharing and contact details. From here, you have two options. The first option is to share your profile link directly. Tap Share Via. Your iPhone will open the Share menu so you can choose where to send it, like a messaging app, email, or any other supported app on your device. LinkedIn automatically includes your profile URL in that share, so you don't have to type or paste anything. This is the fastest method when you want to send your link to a specific person or app right away. The second option is to view and copy your profile URL for later use. Tap Contact Info. On the Contact Info screen, you'll see your LinkedIn profile URL listed under the Profile section. If you need to, tap the pencil or edit icon to access the link details, then copy your link. On iPhone, you can usually press and hold the link to reveal the copy option or use the copy control provided by LinkedIn within that screen. Once copied, you can paste it into a document, a note, or anywhere else you need it. If you don't immediately see the three dots or the Add section button, try scrolling your profile header slightly. Interface elements can shift depending on your screen size and app version. The names of buttons may change over time, but the ellipsis icon and contact info area are consistent places to find your link. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.